Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are fine. This is 8th class English lesson number 14. We have discussed about present simple and present continuous. So in our last video, we have covered present simple, negative and interrogative sentences. Clear? So now today we are going to discuss about present perfect. As you know that whenever you will start any topic, first of all you have to understand the title of the topic. If you understand the title, then you can understand the topic as well. अगर टाइटल आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि इसमें टाइटल का क्या मतलब है, तो आपको चैप्टर हाफ समझ आ जाता है. So that's why you have to understand the title. So here is the name of the title, and the name of our today's lesson is present perfect. So there are two words. One is present and one is perfect. What do you understand by these two words? Think about it. What's the meaning of present? Present का मतलब होता है हाल. And perfect. What's the meaning of perfect? The meaning of perfect mean to complete. मुकम्मल हो जाना, कामिल होना. Clear? So it's mean that we will talk about in this sentence about the actions those are completed in present time. ऐसे काम जो अभी हाल ही में हमारे मुकम्मल हुए हैं. Clear? For example, अभी हाल ही में हमने present continuous complete किया है. Clear? So I will say that कि I have learned present continuous. Clear? Like this. Okay, so the thing that we cover is translation of Urdu sentences. So let's have a look and try to understand. This is overview. What we are going to do is how to form present perfect. The present perfect को किस तरह बनाते हैं. The next is when to use present perfect, और present perfect को कब कहाँ use करते हैं. The usage of present perfect and the formation of present perfect, these two things are very important for you. Clear? Okay, so usage of present perfect: things that are completed in present but belong to near past. It's mean कि अभी हाल ही में. Clear? Not in the long time before, बल्कि अभी कुछ देर या कुछ अरसा, कुछ वक़्त पहले. Things that are completed in present, as the title refers, present perfect. Clear? जैसे कि टाइटल से ही आपको पता लग रहा है. So it will talk about the things. अब आप कह सकते हैं कि आप क्या क्या काम कर चुके हैं. आप जो हैं for example, I have take कि मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ. For example, मैं दूध पी चुका हूँ. For example, you may say that like this, anything. Clear? Okay, so next, here is an example. I have painted the door yellow. Clear? I have painted the door yellow and they have paid for dinner. Now you can see in these two examples, they are talking about the actions those are completed in present time but near past. Clear? Okay, he has done his homework. Clear? Okay, next is key verb for present perfect. As we have discussed about the structure, हर एक सेंटेंस में हमने स्ट्रक्चर डिस्कस किया है कि उसकी फॉर्मेशन कैसे होगी, क्या क्या चीज़ें होंगी उसमें, और उनकी जो है वो प्लेस क्या क्या होगी, किसकी प्लेस कहाँ पर होगी. क्लियर? सो सेम लाइक वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस present perfect like this. Here is key points for present perfect. First of all, you have to keep in your mind that we will use helping verb has or have in present perfect. Clear? हैज़ और हैव का यूज़ होगा इसके अंदर. इसका मतलब है कि हैज़ और हैव दो हैं, तो इट्स मीन वी विल डिवाइड ओवर प्रोनाउंस इन दीज टू कैटेगरीज, जहाँ में एक के साथ हैज़ लगता रहे और एक कैटेगरी के साथ हैव लगता रहे. क्लियर? द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. Third form. When we were talking about the forms of verb, I have told you that we always use form of verb to tell us about the time and about the action. Clear? So here will be third form that will tell you the time. ठीक है, तो थर्ड फॉर्म होगी जिसको आपने नाम दिया था पास्ट पार्टिसिपल का। और यू नो दैट के फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब जो है वो जो है ना दो चीज़ें हमें बताती है, एक्शन ऑफ द वर्ब एंड एक्शन ऑफ द एक्शन एंड टाइम ऑफ द वर्ब। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, फॉर्मेशन। सो द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस विल बी सब्जेक्ट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट, जो भी हो। हैज़ किसके साथ लगेगा और हैव किसके साथ लगेगा, अभी डिस्कस करते हैं हम। एंड थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, क्लियर? यू नो थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, past participle. We are having three forms of each verb, present, past and past participle. Clear? और अभी हमने continuous में fourth form भी पढ़ी थी, that's called ing form. Clear? Okay, and then object. Look at the example, you may understand. He has written a letter. Now you can see here, he, subject, has, helping verb, written, third form of verb, a letter, object. So this is the formation. You have to follow these steps. Clear? की वेब आपको पता होनी चाहिए। सबसे पहले आपको ये पता हो कि कहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं, फिर की वेब हो आपके पास। You know about has, have and you know about the formation and third form of verb. Clear? Next is I have written a letter. Now you can see here I है तो उसके साथ have. इट्स मीन हैज़ जो है वो ही के साथ आ गया और हैव आई के साथ। क्लियर? आई हैव रिटन अ लेटर। ओके, मूव टूवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, यूजेज ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, द यूजेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट with singular persons. I have, you have, he has, she has, it has. I have talked to my teacher. Clear? I have. Now you can see here कि I के साथ have है, not has. You चाहे singular है चाहे plural है, with both we will use have. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि you has singular के लिए और you have plural के लिए. We will use have always with you. Clear? He has, she has and it has. He has gone to school. Next, with plural persons, we have, you have and they have. You have to learn them. तुम्हें चाहिए कि आप इसको तुम अच्छी तरह से जो है ना वो इनको जो है ना रीड करें, बार बार पढ़ें इन दोनों को। क्लियर? यूजेज ऑफ हैज़, हैव with pronouns. We have taken breakfast and they have bought a car. Clear? Okay, move towards the next step. To have some practice, you have to follow these steps. Steps for present perfect. First step is recognition. Recognition of present perfect. कि आपको पहचान हो कि ये present perfect है या नहीं है. How you can recognize it? Completion of action in near past. जब भी कोई एक्शन हो जिसमें आपको ये लग रहा हो कि कोई एक्शन कंप्लीट हुआ है नियर पास्ट, इन प्रेजेंट नियर पास्ट। क्लियर? तो दैट विल टेल यू अबाउट द प्रेजेंट। आप समझ जाएं कि ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है। क्लियर? लुक एट द एग्जांपल, आई हैव गॉन टू स्कूल। द एक्शन इज कंप्लीटेड इन प्रेजेंट बट बिलोंग टू नियर पास्ट। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज ही हैज़ वॉच्ड टीवी। क्लियर? Okay, next, they have learnt present simple. Clear? Okay, the second step is about the find out subject, verb and object. ये तमाम sentences में आपको जो है ना ज़रूरी होता है कि आप जो है ना इस काबिल हों कि उर्दू के से लिखे हुए sentence में से आपको पता हो कि what is subject here, what is object here and what is verb here in this sentence. Clear? ये आपको पता होना चाहिए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल है मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ। यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम दिस सेंटेंस। मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ। नाउ यू कैन सी दैट कि जो इसमें से एक्शन शो कर रहा है कर चुकना, दैट ऑलवेज विल बी वर्ब। जो काम करने वाला है दैट ऑलवेज बी अ सब्जेक्ट। क्लियर? यस, सब्जेक्ट नाश्ता ऑब्जेक्ट एंड कर चुका हूँ वर्ब। नेक्स्ट, तुलबा स्कूल जा चुके हैं। सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब। एंड थर्ड, अमजद इनाम हासिल कर चुका है। you have to find out what is subject, object and verb in. Yes, this is your duty to find out subject, verb and object from last sentence. The next step is formation. You have to keep in your mind the structure and the formation of present perfect. Clear? क्या formation है? Subject plus helping verb, it's mean has or have में से कोई एक, and plus third form of verb plus object. Look at the example. मैं नाश्ता कर चुका हूँ. You have to write down first subject, then helping verb, then verb, ing form, not ing form, verb third form and object. Clear? यहाँ पे verb third form होगा. Okay, so sentence will be I have taken lunch. Clear? I have taken lunch. And तुलबा स्कूल जा चुके हैं. Students have gone to school. Lunch will be at the under the word object. ये lunch जो है ये object के नीचे होगा. Clear? ये one space extra होने की वजह से यहाँ चला गया. Students have gone to school. Clear? Now you can see here subject, helping verb, verb third form plus object. Clear? The next step. अब now you can see here औरत दूध उबाल चुकी है या औरत ने दूध उबाल लिया है. Now you can see the difference between these two sentences. दोनों एक ही काम कर रहे हैं. They both are telling us about an action that has completed in present near past. Clear? उबाल लिया है या उबाल चुकी है. So what we will do? First of all we will find out is it present perfect or not. Yes, it is present perfect because it is telling us about the action that is completed in the present. That's why it is present perfect. The second step is to find out subject, verb and object from the sentence. Now you can see here subject औरत, verb उबाल चुकी है and object दूध. Clear? Okay, next step 3, formation. So formation will be subject, helping verb plus verb third form plus object. And fourth step is example. The woman has boiled the milk. Clear? Now you can see here formation. सबसे पहले present perfect है, ये हमें find out किया. फिर subject, verb and object find out किया. फिर हमें इसके formation के accordingly जो है इनकी places को इन पर रख दिया. The woman has boiled milk. Clear? Okay, you have to follow these steps and translate these sentences into English. इस लड़की ने सबक याद कर लिया है. Now you can see, yes, it is present perfect because it is telling us about the completion of an action in present. Clear? And next thing, yes, we will use here subject, verb and object, and we are having formation of present perfect. जो formation आपको पढ़ा है subject plus has, have, दोनों में से कोई एक जो भी यहाँ पर सूट होगा, and then verb third form and object. Clear? The next sentence, चूहों ने दीवारों में बिल बना लिए हैं. Clear? You are having a lot of dictionary about these. दीवार, wall. Clear? hall, बिल बना लेना. मौसम बरसात शुरू हो चुका है. The rainy season. Clear? That boy has learned the lesson. Now you can see उस लड़के ने सबक याद कर लिया है, not लड़की. The boy has learned the lesson. Next is the rats have made holes in the walls. Clear? The rainy season has set in. Okay, next sentence is हमने दावत कबूल कर ली है. मेहमान ख़ुसूसी इनाम तकसीम कर चुका है. The guest of honor, मेहमान ख़ुसूसी. Clear? बोर्ड ने नतीजे का ऐलान कर दिया है. Declared, ऐलान करना. Clear? And चोर घर में नकब लगा चुके हैं. Now you can see here हमने दावत कबूल कर ली है. Yes, it is present perfect and yes, I have find out subject, verb and object, and yes, I know the formation of present perfect, and yes, this is the example. We have accepted the invitation. We have accepted the invitation. Then you can see subject, have, and third form of verb plus object. Next, the chief guest has given away the prizes. Clear? Inam, prize. Now you can see here same structure. Next, the board has declared the result. Now you can see here again subject, helping verb, verb third form plus object. And the thieves have broken into the house. Nakab lagana, break in. Clear? So third form, broken in. Clear? The thieves have broken into the house. Okay, the thing that you have to do is to listen to watch video again, and let's write down these sentences on your notebooks. I hope all of you understand. Thank you so much.